Welcome to NE KARBI Life, the mirror of the society. This is NE KARBI. So today we have brought you Miss Klarjir Ingtipi, who has recently won the title of Kids Assam and have represented our Karbi Anglong at the state level pageantry and have made us proud. So today let's have a sweet talk with her. And before that, I would like to congratulate you, Klarjir, for winning the title. And also, before we begin, let's have begin the talk. Let's have a sweet introduction from her.
First of all, I would like to thanks to NE KARBI Life for giving me this opportunity. My name is Klarjir Ingtipi. My father name is Harsing Kathar. My mother name is Dibika Kropi. I am from West Karbi Anglong. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Klarjir, for your sweet introduction. Non ako nangli paneli nakar juji a question mang kela puson hello. Nangli labangso Kids Assam a title matia winner long that pen kuson lo nangli nangning kuson lo ke feel hedi.
Sekarang lo.
Nangning arong ulo di. And then nang parents to reaction kuson lo.
Ni parents to la ta aning sekarang ke nang proud.
Okay, so they were very proud after you won the title. Okay, so ako nang panakar juti a question man lason hello nang aim in life ko pilo, Klarjir.
My aim in life is to become an independent woman to serve my own country.
Okay, that's such a lovely and amazing aim in life. So nang panakar juti a question man ke who have supported you to follow your dreams?
My mother, my father, and my family.
Okay, such a lovely person. Your mother and father and your family, they have supported you a lot. Okay, can you tell me in which school do you read in?
I read in a Turkimi Kidimi.
Okay, and then ang di class bang ko ani pining?
5.
Okay, ta bi heglang lapen a class to jum heglang bon sitami alang li talent dopik la si alang li state level beauty pageant long an sitami alang li nong ichi palong nun lo lata winner thulang runners up ta kali la si itung Karbi Anglong ke la ke proud moment lo ining arong pig lo bongso nang liphan la si ako no nang liphan nang kar jupon je question mang lason hen lo nang li da Kids Assam-long dun dia prang ben nani beauty pageant long la da Karbi Anglong kang ba kaprek long adim sitami chapati dun doma. Okay, so where have you participated before?
In Miss Kids Karbi Anglong 2023.
Okay, so this year, okay, this year only you have participated, and have you won any title out there?
Yeah, I got first runner up.
Okay, so congratulations once again. So after winning first runner up, you went to Kids Assam. So how was your preparation? Kuson nang ki prepare? Dak Kids Karbi Anglong long first runner up long lo. That pen ako Assam long nang dun to pid lo. Kuson lo la so dak ki prepare too.
Grooming long ta ni experience me ola.
Kalang ni.
Itong pan grooming ng kitang lang ke Denisa.
Okay, grooming nang pilo hala dak si Charlie long lo ke di. Okay, la si grooming bang important olo di beauty pageant long. Grooming nang pilpo la dak pen si oson si stage long present nai malahay. Tum sop long pon lapo di Charlie long pon lapo. Mesen alam lo. An Klarjir nang pan no nakukusyon na kar jutuji bang lapuson hello nang hala dak Assam long. Kids Assam long ada kecipati dun long nang tuma category kids category long sitame participants do pick di kapre kadim pen ke bang la si hala tum pen koson lo experience hala tum nang participants opponent hadi atum koson lo
Sopta friendly un ke competition ta tough
kalang di friendly but the competition was really tough. Obviously it would be very tough. Okay, and what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is dancing and drawing, and I love modeling too.
Okay, wow, you love modeling also. So I have one question, Klarjir. So who inspired to join you to join modeling? Like who inspired you? Masi nang panang ning nang kirung ma modeling man di ke join dun ba modeling nang ning kahang hobby adi? Komalo na inspire ke?
Neneng perong kakram sapi.
Okay, nang ning di. Okay. Aneng si support ulo na inspired ulo di nang kan. Okay, so one last final question to you, and that is, do you have any future plan non future long na participate dun jinang ning hang dolang ma kopilong ma latang chethani ma do di
Miss Kids India.
Miss Kids India, okay, wow. Miss Kids India long se alang li non mo future long chipati dun ji phansi ni ke hang la si. We wish you a very best of luck for your future. Di nilitum NE KARBI News Live ahin penang lipan. Ahir jume nang pidon lo an sa senang li future long kopi ma gemang edi. Aja sita me palong dun apan. So here jume sinang pilo. La si that was the short and sweet talk with Klarjir Ingtipi. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much viewers for watching NE KARBI Live.